is the physical version for the same. This is a prototype model of ignition switch in your two two-wheeler vehicles like motorbikes, Activas, etc. And we are going to show you the how it works basically. It's working through augmented reality. So what is there is, so we have made an app and developed a prototype version. As you can see, we are going to see the prototyping through an app. And first we are going to scan the equipment and play. So now you can see in the app there is a visualization of how the parts are inside the ignition switch and how the mechanism is working, like how the key will be going inside, what all parts are there. So this is a very good explanatory version for any hardware part or any manufacturing part to give any session or to understand the mechanism. So this is the augmented reality version and this is the physical version for the same.